Good morning, happy Friday. Just want to walk you through some of the activities today because a couple of them, or one of them particularly, are different. Today in math, students will complete page 744. It is the mid-chapter checkpoint. They will complete this in their math book. And if you could take a picture and upload it to Seesaw. The page looks like this. I would try and you could read the directions to your student and please try and let them work as independently as possible, as this would be something in the classroom that I would give them for independent work. Of course, I would read the directions to them like I said, but try and let them work on their own and see what they can do. So that's the mid-chapter checkpoint. Today is also a Reflex math day, so if they click here, it'll take them right to the Reflex login page. For reading today, we are going to listen to a math story. Since we've been talking about shapes, it's called The Greedy Triangle. This is also in Seesaw. I will show you that quickly. So it just says The Greedy Triangle. You can listen to the story and click the check mark when you're finished. Let's see. Oh, for grammar today, there is a Pronoun Boom game. This is very, very similar to Toothy, but a smidge different. So you can access this in Seesaw. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so it's called Pronoun Boom. Again, you do not want to click on Add Response. This is a separate link. So you're going to want to click on this picture over here. Okay, it will open up, and what I love about Boom is that it has voice directions. So if you click on the speaker button, it will read you the directions.
In this game, we will use possessive pronouns in sentences. Read the sentence, choose a pronoun to complete the sentence, then type the word in the box.
Okay, so you can go ahead and listen to that at home. So I will show you how to play the game. So you're going to click this play button down here. It says choose and type the pronoun that will complete the sentence. The soccer ball belongs to Zed. We will play with blank soccer ball. His, her, our, their, its. So we will choose his, and it kind of like circles it for you. And then you will click in this box right over here. We also have to type the word his in the box, or else it won't let you go forward. And then you'll click on this blue submit button. And if you get it right, it will ding and go to the next slide. So you'll just keep doing that through all the slides. When you're finished with the activity, just click the green check mark button when you're finished. That way I know you did go ahead and play that game. And then lastly it is a Raz Kids Day. So if your student can read one book in there and take a quiz on whatever book they chose today, that would be wonderful. I hope you have a fantastic Friday.